Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to freeze panes in Excel multiple rows, or how you can actually freeze columns and rows in Excel. So here you can see that I have this Excel sheet here, and let's suppose that if I scroll down, and what I wanted to do is, even if I scroll down, I want this row, this first row, all the time visible here. Okay, so if I am scrolling down, I want this top row all the time visible to me. So how you can actually do this? What you will do here, you will just go into this view option here, and you will see here this option which is freeze panes. Okay, so you will tap on this one, and here it says freeze top row. So in this case our top row is this one, the one. So you will tap on this one, freeze top row, and now if you scroll down and if you scroll up, you can see that this row is all the time visible to you. And this also works for the first column as well. So if I go into the freeze panes option again, and if I tap on this freeze first column here, so as you can see that I don't have the amount of data on the right side, but if you do have, you can just scroll from left to right, and you will see that this first column will always be visible to you. So that's how to freeze panes in MS Excel. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.